Hello everyone, myself MS Bhagavadiyammal, Assistant Professor from AADS Department. Our subject code is CRA332 and our subject title is Drone Technologies. Unit-1, our topic name is Drone Business through Entrepreneurship. Drone Business through Entrepreneurship. Starting a drone business as an entrepreneur involves leveraging drone technology to provide various services across different industries. Here a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the process. First one, the steps to start a drone business. Market research and planning. Identify, determine which industry or industries you want to target. For example, agriculture, real estate, construction and etc. Then analyze competitors. Research existing drone service providers to understand their offerings, pricing and market presence. Then business plan. Develop a detailed business plan outlining your business model, target market, services, pricing strategy, marketing plan and financial projection. The second one is legal requirements and certifications. Regulations. Understand and comply with local, state and federal regulations regarding drone operations. This often includes registering your drones and obtaining necessary permit. Certifications. Obtain the required certifications such as FAA Part 107 certification in the United States, which allows you to operate drones commercially. Then third one, acquire equipment. Drones. Purchase drones that suit your business needs. Consider factors like flight time, camera quality, payload capacity and durability. Accessories. Invest in additional batteries, propellers, carrying cases and any other accessories that enhance your operations. Next one is insurance. Liability insurance. Obtain liability insurance to cover potential damages or accidents during drone operations. And next one, equipment insurance. Insure your drones and equipment against theft, damage and loss. Then training and skill development. Pilot training. Ensure that you and any other operators are well trained in drone piloting, maintenance and safety protocols. And industry specific skills. Acquire skills relevant to your chosen niche such as aerial photography, mapping, surveying or data analysis. Marketing and networking. Website and online presence. Create a professional website showcasing your services, portfolio and contact information. Utilize social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Networking. Join industry groups, attend trade shows and connect with potential clients and partners. Advertising. Use online advertising, local media and industry specific publications to promote your services. Service offerings. Aerial photography and videography, surveying and mapping, inspection services, agriculture services, delivery services. Delivery services, it explore opportunities in drone delivery for medical supply packages and other goods. Then customer relationship management, client communication. Maintain clear and regular communication with clients to understand their needs and provide updates on project. Quality service. Ensure high quality service delivery to build a strong reputation and foster repeat business. Feedback and improvement. Correct feedback from clients to continuously improve your services. Potential business ideas. Real estate photography and videography. Provide high quality aerial images and videos to real estate agents for property listings. Agricultural monitoring. Offer crop health analysis, irrigation planning and precision spraying services to farmers. Construction site monitoring. Use drones for progress tracking, site surveying and safety inspections on construction project. Then event photography. Capture aerial footage of weddings, concerts, sports, event and other gatherings. Inspection services. Conduct regular inspections of infrastructure like power line, bridges and pipelines. Thank you.